See here, this is the ventral segment of iliac crest, that is the more than anterior 3/4, and this is the dorsal segment of iliac crest, less than posterior 1/3. This ventral, more than 3/4 of ventral segment has an outer lip. See this sharp outer lip, it's written no, that is on the gluteal side, gluteal surface side, and similarly it has one inner lip on the pelvic side, and in between, see this is intermediate zone in between the area, and over this outer lip there is a tubercle, that is tubercle of iliac crest, which lies over the outer lip. Okay, and now you see this less than dorsal 1/3. So this is the posterior part. It has two slopes, one slope towards the gluteal surface, that is outer slope, one slope towards the pelvic surface, that is inner slope. In between we have a ridge separating them. Now we just go through the gluteal lines. See, this is posterior gluteal line, this is anterior gluteal line, and this is inferior gluteal line. Okay, so this posterior gluteal line begins 5 centimeters in front of the posterior superior iliac spine, runs downwards to the superior border of greater sciatic notch. This is the shortest of these three gluteal lines. Now see, this is the longest one, is the anterior gluteal line. It begins 4 centimeters in front of anterior superior iliac spine, 4 centimeters ahead or in front, and then runs downwards to the upper border of greater sciatic notch. And now the inferior gluteal line. This inferior gluteal line begins slightly above and behind this is the anterior inferior iliac spine, and then moves downwards and backwards to reach the greater sciatic notch. Okay, so these are the three gluteal lines dividing this gluteal surface into 4 areas. See, this is first, second, third, and fourth. Now gluteus maximus, one of the origins is from the outer slope, dorsal segment of iliac crest, outer slope, dorsal segment of iliac crest. Second point of origin is from the posterior gluteal line. Third point of origin is from the area or the part of gluteal surface behind the posterior gluteal line. ये posterior gluteal line के पीछे का area. This is the area from where begins the gluteus, from where arises the gluteus maximus. And see, the hip bone is formed of 3 parts: ilium, ischium,